somebody to get
Naka-video to, Cathy. Nasa may butterfly farm tayo ngayon.
I don't have a butterfly in my
Gusto mo
stomach.
makita yung mga butterfly?
Yeah.
Ayan sila, lumilipad sila.
There.
Oh, they're there. Oh, here are the butterflies with, what's that? Okay, say something.
Photo.
This is a video.
Oh, hi. This is my new boyfriend.
Oh,
We go
are you
to
sure
Ronald's.
it's a boy?
Oh, maybe
He's
a
a boy?
girl.
Okay.
How can you see the difference?
Yeah, I don't know.
Okay.
Oh, what's your age?
He's 1 year old.
Okay. Nice meeting you, boy.
Hi.
Hi, Wim.
Hello.
Hi, Elena. Say something.
Are you peeping?
What? Wow, beautiful butterfly.
Nice.
Oh.
It's gonna be your prince, Harold.
Oh.
Kiss it.
Oh my God. It's gonna be my friend. Hi, Sol.
Hi. Fly, the butterfly.
No more butterflies there?
There are.
Hi, Mr. Butterfly. Hi, Kari.
Come to mama. Come here.
Kari, kunin mo nga ako.
No? Nako, ikaw talaga.
Dahan-dahan kunin mo muna sila. Ay, it's so, but you know.
Bati yun, no?
Hi. Ah, there's the camera. Hi.
Hi.
You know, I'm just looking here.
Paasiis ka pa, bayuta ka.
Ba't mo bigla inalis ka?
Hindi, kasi
But they're going to catch butterflies.
tap mo na, lubat ka na. Mag-picture na tayo.
Dali lang.
Kunin mo lahat.
Everyone gonna take picture of you.
I think there is some nectar in your ears because it's really... No.
Sir.
Hi, Sir Toti. It's video to.
Video.
Hi, Daphne. This is a video.
Yes, hi.
Okay, yeah, then.
Oh my God. Caterpillar.
Hem dichtbij. Hij gaat me niet
Johanna, this is a video. Say something.
Hi, Harold.
Do you eat caterpillars?
Yeah, I've tried 2 caterpillars.
Okay.
Okay, 1, 2.
What?
zo freaky.
Let's go.
Pretty cute. Chris, say something.
What?
Your nose is big.
For shizzle.
Hello.
Video ba yan?
Ba't mo alam?
Kasi
Wala ka, hindi ka
kung 1, 2, 3, okay lang.
Video pa rin yan.
Oo. Ako naman videohan mo. Siyempre dahan-dahan mong itatapat, di ba? Oh.
May exposure talaga. Oh, yes.
Bakit taglit lang? Ano medyo mag-video?
Yeah. Hi, Lunica. How are ya?
That's for YouTube.
Yeah.
Wala kami. Ay, sister, my twin sister. Kunin mo kami ng twin sister ko.
Yeah.
She's my twin sister.
Really? Twin sister. In video.
Oh, kambal sa uma.
Actually, we have a movie.
What?
What's the title of our movie?
Hello, Chon? Te, ano ang ginagkatuan mo na?
Say something. Ay, sorry.
Dapat ikaw! Dapat ikaw! Ano, you know?
Smell the yellow one.
Oh, sa'yo yan?
Smell, para sa'yo to. Ayun, lumalabas na. Amoy chocolate. Amoy chocolate. Smell mo, chocolate yan, chocolate.
Humot lagi siya. Promise,
Baka
promise.
gaganunin yung ilong ko.
Hindi. Humot lagi, promise.
Natatakot ako eh.
Ayaw mo ba? Ilagay mo sa one.
What's that?
Depende sa mga
Yun ang male organ? Bakit dalawa yung...
male organ.
Bakit dalawa? It's two.
To pretend dead. But don't shoot them right now. No, it's okay. To pretend, we have the defense mechanism for the predator. No. Because mostly predator they don't did butterfly. So you have to pretend it's dead like an actor. No. We have acting ko to play it.
Ang lifespan nila, pila?
3 months yung pinakamahaba, 3 months.
Okay.
You have to be that
Now we have to
way
pretend
for...
If you just flip your hand.
Then after that, there will be a fertilizer. Then after 3 months, there will be a fertilizer na. Wow, di ko nakuha. Play dead.
Murag iro. Lady.
Haba ng video. Hi, Sean. Hi, Wim.
No, I'm a butterfly.
Where are your wings? Hi, Martina.
Snake, so he wants moving. I can do it.
Follow me. What? Yeah. Close up. Okay. Here is Madam Butterfly.
My lovely sister.
Yo. Say something. This is a video.
I have seen a butterfly penis.
Yeah, I've seen two.
Yeah?
It's two. Oh my god, I'm so... One butterfly, but two penis. Oh my god. That's amazing.
Amazing.
Hey, say something. This is a video.
Hi! I just saw a butterfly penis, and a penis consists of 2 penises, a butterfly. Isn't that
Penis
amazing?
A, penis B. This is for YouTube.
Okay, hi. I want to thank my mommy and my daddy.
For living. Bye, Butterfly Sanctuary. Bye, Butterfly.
Oh, this is beautiful.
Hi. Afraid. Miss Belle, say something. This is a video.
This is really a very wonderful experience. You see metamorphosis. It's like the really being one with nature. It's awesome.
Okay. Let's now. Thank you, Miss Belle.
Thank you. Dankjewel. Dankjewel.
Wow.
Is it lovebirds or
Yeah.
butterflies?
Wow.
What do butterflies
I think they're love butterflies. They're love butterflies. Helena, I want to interview you. Can you compare yourself to a butterfly?
Maybe that caterpillar will do.
What caterpillar will do? You know how to
Why?
crawl.
Yeah.
Shy. How about you? Are you a caterpillar or a butterfly or a pupa?
We still need to pop out.
Pupa? You're still in a cocoon?
Yeah. You still have to bloom.
Okay.
Become like this.
Okay.
I mean, do you have a picture of yourself with that one? With
Yeah.
Hi, here I am
Yeah.
again. How are you?
Your boyfriend.
So beautiful.
Okay. Martina, what's that?